Welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we're making dirty rice. Let's start by prepping all of our vegetables. I have some yellow onion, green bell pepper, scallions, celery, and garlic cloves. I will have all my ingredients listed down below in the description box. In a preheated cast iron, I added a little bit of olive oil because I will be using ground turkey. If you're using ground beef, you don't need much olive oil. I am going to chop up my ground turkey and cook it until it's fully cooked. I'm adding in all of my seasonings while it's cooking. Once your ground turkey is cooked, set that to the side. In a preheated pot, add in some olive oil. Once your oil is preheated, saute your vegetables until slightly translucent. Cook your vegetables for about 4 to 5 minutes. Cover them to slightly steam and soften them. Next, add in the garlic cloves. Add your meat back in. Add parboiled rice. That is the key to certain rice dishes. Parboiled rice. Add in butter, all-purpose seasoning, and other seasonings. Like I said, I will have all my ingredients listed down below, so be sure to check that out. Some bay leaves, some fresh thyme, mix that in. And then also we are going to be using chicken stock. If you like, you can use beef stock. So I'm adding my chicken stock in, and we're going to go ahead and cook this. Bring it to a high boil and then cook it on a simmer for 25 minutes, covered. The key is to cover with foil. As you can see, it's fluffy and so pretty and light. If you decide to make this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines.